wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best hot stone massage kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, the Milan Dia Basic comes with just 10 stones, but 6 of them are large and flat, offering plenty of warm surface area for use on the shoulders, back and legs. The smaller pieces are great for placement on the forehead and toes. These have a slip-resistant texture and are suitable for a traveling masseuse. But note that the color isn't true to the pictures. At number 6, the Royal Massage Set comes with an engraved wooden case for organizing, storing and transporting the 60 rocks that are included. Many of them are made from basalt, while a few of the smaller selections are crafted from marble. These are carved by hand, and the set includes 7 chakra pieces. However, the included box is rather flimsy. Coming in at number 5 on our list, if your job demands hours of sitting at a desk, chances are your body is paying the price. With the Sabrina Professional Set, you can soothe muscle tension and loosen tight knots at home without having to pay for a professional masseuse. These are fairly inexpensive and include a handy storage pouch, but the shapes are not very uniform. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hot stone massage kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the rocks in the Poppee Personal Set come in a variety of sizes, and each is put through a proprietary 7-step abrasive wash process that removes the outer crust. This ensures their surfaces are consistent in texture and smooth to the touch. These offer strong heat retention and are rich in iron and magnesium. However, they are comparatively expensive. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Created by a family-owned business in Arizona, the TIR Massage Set is equipped with 40 basalt pieces in 4 sizes. Not only do these retain heat well, but they also boast a texture that's neither too rough nor too slippery, making them easy to work with. These are hand-selected for quality and weigh 12 pounds in total. They come with training videos. At number 2, the large flat stones in the Sivan Health and Fitness 8-piece fit comfortably in the palm of the hand. Featuring round, narrow edges, they're made from iron and magnesium-rich basalt, which can stay hot for a long period of time. These have a 1-inch thickness and are smooth to the touch. They're good value for the price. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Royal Massage Clamshell Kit comes with everything you need to get started, except for a table and a person to lie down on it. It reaches 122 degrees Fahrenheit within 10 minutes and doesn't require water for heating, so there's no mess to clean up. It's compact and portable and includes 12 rocks. The exterior remains cool to the touch. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hot stone massage kits, or simply click beneath this video.